New toothpick trick? What was that?
You got a real one. You can't put a toothpick underneath there. You got a counterfeit.
Really? I didn't know that. You don't happen to have a pen on you, do you?
That Walgreens employee knows all the tricks. And she is absolutely right. That is a good way to tell if it's fake or not. Toothpick, paperclip, same difference. On the counterfeit bills, it will not go under because they're printed. That security feature right there is a great way to tell if you have a real $100 bill or not. There's even another way on the left side of the bill, right there. You see where it says E5? That is an indicator number. That letter has to match what number it is in the alphabet. So obviously E is the 5th letter, so that is correct. If it said B7, that would be a fake bill. Tons of counterfeits out there. Make sure you remember all those tips.